Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Before joining a Webex meeting, prepare your audio devices carefully. Use a wired headset or a USB headset for reliable sound. Set system volume to 50% as a baseline for comfortable listening. Open Webex and go to Settings, then Audio and Video. In Audio and Video, select your headset for both speaker and microphone. Click Test to speak and listen. Close other applications that may use the microphone to avoid conflicts during the meeting. When you click Join from your Webex invite, the Join window appears. Choose Computer Audio to connect your headset or built-in device to the meeting. In the Audio and Video settings, select the correct speaker and microphone from the drop-down menus. Click Join Audio when you confirm those choices. Mute your microphone when you enter to prevent background noise. Use the spacebar to temporarily unmute while speaking and then release to return to mute. If participants cannot hear you, first check microphone volume in System Settings. Increase microphone gain slightly and retest in Webex using the Test button. If problems persist, switch to phone audio by choosing Call Me and entering your phone number. That connects audio over the cellular or landline network reliably. For echoes or dropouts, restart your browser or the Webex app and reconnect audio. Finally, confirm no other devices are paired over Bluetooth that could steal audio from your headset.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.